This defendant asked the judge for more freedom, but what the court revealed next changed the entire tone of the hearing. Multiple probation violations, a pending felony case, and a judge who was clearly running out of patience. This courtroom exchange gets intense fast. Watch until the end because the judge's final warning says everything.
Okay, so I see there are two cases on Devontae Jobert. We've got 23 CR 16A, a motion to revoke probation that's been pending since last September. And then there's a new indictment 26 CR 156, January, presented by the grand jury January of this year. And it alleges that on about August 30th, 2025, the defendant committed a state jail felony of operating a motor vehicle while intoxicated, which would have been subsequent to the date he was placed on probation in January of 25 for the third-degree felony of evading arrest or detention with a motor vehicle. What are we doing today?
Judge, there was a request in the form of a motion to modify bond conditions. He is currently on home confinement and on an ankle monitor. I believe Mr. Smith's purpose in filing that is to see if the home confinement portion of it can be lifted so that he may move about freely to get his son to doctor's appointments, to school. He does have his son full-time currently. He also works with Todd Broussard and has a lot of interaction with Pastor Adolph and works heavily in the community. So his job.
How's that working out for him in his decision making? You're shaking your head no. I want this motion done. That's what I'm worried about. I want this taken care of. That thing has been filed. Well, it's been pending now for 9 months. When can we handle this hearing?
Judge, I can't speak to that. I was asked to.
Okay.
I apologize for that.
Request. What's Stacy?
Judge, looking at the fact that he committed an offense while he was on probation, and he's got a prior also that looks like he went to prison on for a violation of probation, we'd object.
And here's another issue is that what the court is concerned about is an uncertain status with the attorney, and there's a pending motion. Either you're going to have to get another lawyer, or he's going to have to get well. I'm not going to wait. The people, this is in suspense, and it needs to move forward one way or the other. And at this rate, it could be 30 years. We don't know. But I'm not getting any information. I don't expect her to give it to me. But somebody's got to give me some articulated information about what's certain on your attorney's status. Because until I find out, I'm not granting release. This should have been taken care of a long time ago, and it is involving another vehicular, a 4,000-pound missile being irresponsibly used. So,
Judge, if I may,
go ahead.
I know that the circumstances surrounding his hired on attorney are wary, but in terms of this specific,
what it is,
I understand. But in terms of this specific client, he's very proactive about reaching out to the court, requesting permission to go places while he is on home.
It's not stopping him from being accused of violating his probation. Let's see, committing DWI, being at a location at 1 a.m. curfew violation, failing to abstain intoxicating substances. That's 3 separate violations of the probation order. That's got my attention. That's all jeopardizing the safety of the community. Plus yourself.
He does have an ankle monitor and an intoxilizer in his vehicle, so if it's any consolation, those concerns can be tracked by those methods. All
I know
that
it
is
can be
being
tracked
asked
after the event occurs. or I can't stop him. We're not out there stopping him from doing anything. All we're doing is he's just showing a fingerprint of what's being done. But this motion would have otherwise been heard a long time ago. And I'm sorry, I'm moving forward. I'm setting this one way or the other. You're going to have to find somebody else. I'm not going to wait for Mr. Smith in this unknown medical condition status just to be in limbo. We got to move forward. I'm sorry, he's a fine lawyer, but I'm getting nothing of certainty. It's just an uncertain medical status that he's unable to help you with. But I'm moving forward. Yes, you got to get somebody. I'm setting this for a hearing.
Yes, sir.
You got 4 weeks to get somebody. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what we're going to do. That's the orders of the 24 CR 1632. An indictment here, 2nd degree felony assault on a peace officer, which carries with it up to 20 years in everything else on page 2. And it was announcement.
You made 4 weeks, please, Johnny. We're close, I think.
Is this right? This thing is almost 2 years old. It was indicted in August of 24.
I think Darren and I have only been here together.
How much time are you asking for?
4 weeks, please.
You got it's almost 2 years old. And
I'm not fussing or arguing.
no, I understand. It's just why is it taking so? It's. I don't think you were here originally, were you?
No, sir, I wasn't.
Yeah.
This is a case that he has. And we have something about the paying. It's out of it's from 2024. And.
Yeah, public defense.
No, he just got a reset.
It was Dusler. No, you had Mr. Dusler as your lawyer before. Okay.
So since you got something solved with.
You've been retained?
Yes.
Trying to do something like that. But it's off. That was okay. What, 2 years?
That's the minimum on for That's the first event is showing January of 25. Going on a year and a half.
Had we had this then on the video, she left it in.
So what is it you're asking for in 4 weeks? We're going to do it in 4 weeks.
Make an announcement in 4 weeks. Please.
That's great. Reset the boards. And Tron, yeah, the court is allowing that, but come back.
Sure, well, because I'm learning by selling.
How are you doing? How are you doing with your issues?
Perfect, I'm completely recovered.
Because you're a role model.
Yes,
You
sir.
have, you're the example setter in the community, especially in the Pakistani community, in the Indian community. And if you don't act well, people are very disappointed because they're not going to act well. You're setting example like I have to do. All of us who are in leadership positions, you're in one. And I don't ever fall back. Keep moving forward, making the right choices soberly, and making sure you understand that what you do, people watch it. They watch you, and you influence other people. You want the influence to be good.
Yes, sir.
So that other people are the best they can be.
Yes. That's right.
Okay. All right. Well, be careful. We'll see you back
All right.
when you come back home.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
If you enjoy real courtroom moments, intense judge reactions, and shocking legal drama caught on camera, make sure to subscribe right now. New courtroom videos drop regularly, and trust me, the next hearing might be even crazier than this one.